Firing ranges are supposed to provide a safe place for people to learn how to use a gun and practice their marksmanship. Unfortunately, firing ranges can also be places of great human tragedy whenever mistakes are made, and someone gets shot. Are gun ranges more dangerous than you realize? In large part, the industry sets its own rules for who can walk onto a gun range, when they can do it, what sort of firearm they can use and more. For example, gun ranges can rent guns to people who couldn't pass a background check to own one. They can also decide to allow children who haven't even come close to hitting their teen years to handle a weapon on the range. This leads to all kinds of situations that can turn into an accidental shooting, such as a child loses control of a firearm or mistakenly pulls the trigger before it was aimed because the adult with them isn't paying strict enough attention. Someone buys a second-hand gun without realizing its trigger has been modified so that the gun will fire with little or no pressure. The range rents a gun to someone who is under the influence of drugs or alcohol, and they carelessly aim the gun in someone's direction. Someone who is suicidal rents a gun and accidentally hurts another person in the process of trying to hurt themselves. A gun that hasn't been maintained properly, rental or not, frustrates a novice user and is accidentally fired when the user tries to figure out what is wrong with it. If you or your loved one suffered an injury on a gun range because of someone's negligence, you may have the right to compensation for your